Hydraulic, 35 mm front forks support the front end with a rake angle of 26.4 degrees and 3.18 inches of trail, and that lends it the maneuverability you need to manage the generous 61.6 wheelbase. The swingarm itself is a dual-side unit with the usual engine, transmission assembly on one side, and a chill-cast aluminum member on the other. Dual coil-over shocks buoy and tame the rear end and provide the obligatory spring preload adjustment but little else, and suspension travel is reasonable for a scooter at 4.3 inches up front and 4.4 inches out back. Tire size also encroaches on motorcycle territory, even if it doesn't quite make it with a 120/70/15 and 150/70/14 on the front and rear, respectively. Brakes are another story. Beamer chucked on dual 265 mm front discs with 4-pot anchors and another disc of the same size at back with a single piston caliper and a Continental MK100 MAP 2-channel ABS unit on overwatch. That's some pretty serious braking ability, and it far exceeds many full-size bikes that weigh half again as much. Things are up in the air after the show, and know that once the dust finishes settling, BMW will give us an MSRP. The larger maxi scooters in the C stable start at $10,000, so figure something less than that.